Hello Nicole, kamusta ka na dyan? I hope you're fine. I just want to say happy birthday. Masaya ba maging 18? Well, syempre masaya. 18 ka na eh. And so, I wish you to have good health, more birthdays to come, and more power to you. Kaya mo yan. Tumatanda ka na eh. So, ano pa ba masabi ko? Well, thanks for being a good friend to me. And you're the best. And masking malayo tayong dalawa, nagki-keep in touch pa rin. And, you know, I will always be your friend. Maski nandito ako, nandiyan ka, friends pa rin. So, sana, hindi mo makalimutan. And, you know, hindi naman din kita makakalimutan eh. Friend kita eh. Idol pa kita. And, good luck with your studies, sa school, and in your future plans. And I hope you're safe every day. And I hope to see you soon again. And I'm looking forward for that. Don't ever change, okay? Because I appreciate the Nicole that I've known. Alright? So, yung request mo na video, ito na yun, para na din gift. It's the thought that counts naman eh. Like your line, right? So, I hope you're happy. And hindi na ako magtatagal. And hanggang dito na lang. So, happy birthday again. Take care. I miss you, Nick. Bye.